I think one of the most effective ways that we can share information with our kids, say maybe we want to share a lesson with them about drinking, or some other tough topic that if we just started lecturing at them, they generally wouldn't listen to us, is story. I think we can use stories effectively to share lessons with our kids, but they've got to be interesting stories and they've got to be relevant to their lives. So think back to when you were a teenager and some of the shenanigans you pulled, and ask yourself, what might be relevant or interesting to my kid that they could learn from? Maybe you don't share all the details, right? I mean, our kids don't need to know exactly everything, but instead of lecturing, we can definitely give them our wisdom and get our point across by sharing a story a lot more effectively. So think about it. What can you use from your own experience that your kid would gravitate to and learn from? Not only do we want to use our stories to impart wisdom, I know our kids today can Google just about anything, right? If they have a question about sex or drugs or whatever, just go on the internet. But that's so impersonal. And while they may be able to get correct information, maybe, from the internet, they're also not getting the human connection that comes with learning about tough topics about growing up. So even if you're uncomfortable as a parent, take the time and make the effort to develop a relationship with your son or daughter that they feel that they can come to you and talk to you about these topics, because we want them to have correct information. We want them to have a human connection when they're getting that.